I see buildings falling. Every rock we built to serve our idols toppled in a day. I hear people calling. Men and women calling on his name, giving praise. I see others hide in dens and caves, and the whole world is left in disarray. The whole world is hiding from his face, praying to the rocks and to the cliffs to fall on us. Ground is shaking, stars are falling, everything is out of place, and I'm afraid war is coming and I can't distinguish night and day. People dying everywhere, I hear a voice that says, son, come and see what your latter end will be. I lift my eyes and all I see is peace, and on eagle's wings I soar in Shamayim, and I see streets clear as gold, most precious stones are right under my feet. Smiling faces, millions of us, peace I can't believe is filled inside of me. I smile, I feel relieved. From nights I couldn't sleep, the days I doubt what I believe, the times I had to fight for dreams that my eyes couldn't see. But the pain was worth the promise in the end, on a journey back to New Jerusalem.
Close your eyes, little one. I'm your father and you are my son. I will hold you till the morning comes. And don't you fear, I'm right here. I will take away all of your tears. No need to worry about a thing at all. Close your eyes, little one. I'm your father and you are my son. I will hold you till the morning comes. And don't you fear, I'm right here. I will take away all of your tears. No need to worry about a thing at all.